Guys, just opening up this Lariat now. So the 2021 F150 Lariat, just kind of having a heyday here. We all are. Got the same 10-way power seats. Other than that, basically everything looks different. Look at this big massive screen we have up in here. Great big screen here as well. That cover will come off of there. We got the power gear shifter there, up and down. This thing is unbelievable. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, air conditioned seats, got all of our cameras and everything. There's our front facing view, there's our 360 camera. That's awesome. There's a view of the box, the Chimsel camera, integrated brake controller, all the safety features. This thing's awesome. Big power moonroof as well. Open that puppy up. Another feature I want to show you guys is going to be the tailgate. So press this button right here, it's going to drop the tailgate for you. So that was standard last year on the Lariats as well. Check this out. It's power up now too. That is awesome. Very, very impressive. Power deployable running boards. This one's got the tow mirrors on it with the LED spotlights. Look at that. Look how much that seat moves up there. That's unbelievable space.